Hello there. Sorry, I was stretching. Hold up 1 second. Yo, so I just got here. Yo, it's a fucking bunch of... It's like a bunch of fucking cops, dude. And like... a bunch of fucking cops and like people like just going slow for like no reason. And it's like it's hella active. Like, why are these people still out in the fucking streets? Take your asses home so I can go to work. But waiting for the homies. I don't know where they at. He said they pulled up. Hold on. Hopefully I'm at the right one. Because this is the only one I know in Rockville. This is another one. Because I know they opened up a few more. But I'm about to start vacuuming my car and shit.
Who? Me. I was like, you better play my shit.
At the flagship. I didn't even know this shit was... I'm sorry, I'm vlogging, yo. You good. Yo, I didn't even know this... I forgot the damn vlog. But, I didn't even know this shit was here. I forgot. But, I'm coming back to this spot. Vinny gonna leave. Little punk. It's like...
You little bitch. You should hit that shit.
What did she say?
Are you calling the police?
Yo, so we had to leave the meet early because this lady called the cops. So white people are so fucking brave when the cops are around. Because this dude, he like yelled at something too. My bad, I was texting the homie, but yeah, I'm in McDonald's, as you can probably see. But yeah, the homie Vinny showed up for like a hot second, but then like he left. It was like he stayed in the car for like a couple of minutes, then he left. But yeah, cause like I didn't know it was too. I forgot. I had to say something. I fucking forgot. What the fuck is that noise? Do not fucking get behind me. Oh, come on, bro. These niggas, these fucking spaceships. Alright, let me tell you something. Look, I got my reverse lights on. Watch this dumbass bitch.
Welcome to McDonald's. Only Stephanie Cash. How may I help you?
Oh, what? Can I have a bacon, egg, and cheese meal?
With a hash brown?
Yes.
Bacon, egg, and cheese what? McGriddle biscuit.
I'm sorry, biscuit. I'm sorry. I'm trying to think. And then for the drink, hot chocolate.
Medium, small.
Medium.
Anything else?
And a medium fry.
Come on to the first one over your soda.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yo. What the fuck? The fuck? Yo, the camera just fucking fell. Yeah. Her dumb ass ain't get on my bumper though. Hold up. Yeah. Cause I hear her ass stay all the way back. I'm like, that's what the fuck y'all need to do, y'all. Like, y'all don't need to be like on somebody's bumper and shit. Like, I fucking hate that. Oh! I lost my $5. Yeah, see, that bitch is like always all the way back there. At first, like, she was damn near on my fucking ass at first, and now I got my reverse shit on. See? Like, dog, there's no need for you to be on my fucking bumper, dude. Yo, just got in the house. McDonald's. We got fries. Well, we got fries here. And then sausage, bacon, egg, and biscuit. If you can see that. But, yo, I can't believe, yo, that dude was so fucking tough. And the cop was there. He was like, some of these assholes. I'm like, dude. Like, he wasn't even trying to do it to be assholes. Like, white people are so tough when the police are around, dude. But I was gonna say something back, but I didn't want to start any more shit with the homie. If it was just me, I would have yelled something back. But yeah. About to edit some more videos and finish this food. And tomorrow I think is the crofting meet. I think I'm gonna see. Hopefully the homie's there, cause he hasn't been there the past 2 times. And I know me and Rob, we've been cleaning up and shit after these fucking grown ass adults.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.